Hey, to change wallpaper on the Realme GT 6, all you have to do is just to go into the settings, then you will have to move into the wallpapers and style, and now select wallpapers. Next, you can actually find some default wallpapers. Here we can find live wallpapers, static wallpapers, but also you can get more wallpapers if you want. So you have to accept this statement of the use, and now you'll be redirected into this wallpaper shop. Here you can download some wallpapers if you want. But if you want to get simple wallpaper, you can for sure do this by selecting, for example, this static wallpaper with the desert. Click apply. You can set it for the home screen and the lock screen, or only for the lock screen. You can decide. Just wait for it. And now click OK to apply the colors of the wallpaper. And there we go. Now please subscribe.